Camera doesn't work. Oh yeah, it's working now. Hi, how are you?
Good. Wait, there's
Hey, you
something wrong
already
with
have
it.
mustache.
Yeah, it's I don't know why.
Not a bad thing though. After all, we're men.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you shave, by the way? Because last time I didn't see it, but today I do.
No, it's not a mustache. It was just like the filter.
Oh. Okay, okay. But then, some kids they have it really early. Like how can I say, they admire their father, like she's shaping, and then they tried once or twice, and it just makes it earlier. But then I'm happy that you didn't. Okay. Did I? I don't know. I don't remember. Maybe I did. All right. So, how are you today?
Good, and you?
Oh, well, same old, which is good actually.
Yeah, it is.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and what did you do today?
So, so I don't know what it's called.
Uh-huh.
It's like a kids cafe, you know?
Oh yeah.
I went there with the friends the Korean friends that I had in Canada.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and it was good. Um,
Oh, they're in Korea now.
yeah. Wait, I'm just gonna close the door real quick.
Please. It's like they are back for good or just for holiday?
We're back for good.
Oh, I see. Just like your case.
Yeah.
When? Like same time or did they just come a little late?
They came a little. One of them came a little bit faster, and one of them came a little late.
I see. So it was like all three of you then.
Yeah,
Uh-huh. I
three
see.
families.
Kids Cafe, I think that's how they call it. But Kids Cafe, is it for like what did you do there? Because
There were like rides. It was like a big one.
oh, like is it the
No,
yeah, I think it's franchised one like Champion or something. Champion is for
no
younger
Kindex.
kids. Monster Sports Monster, is it?
No Kindex. Do you know Kindex?
Candex? Cantex?
Kindex.
Candex, no. Never heard of it.
Yeah. Well, I went there.
Uh-huh, I see. But anyways, I have never tried any of those, so what do I know? Okay then. Anyways, yeah, happy that you made your friends. Okay. Do they live
Okay.
far?
What do you mean?
Like, you're in where? Like, are you in Ilsan now? Oh my God, I don't
Yeah,
even
I
know
am.
now. Oh, I see. Then what about them?
One of them live. They both live in Seoul.
Uh-huh, I see. Okay, okay.
I don't know.
Interesting.
One of them lives in Seoul. I don't know the other one.
Okay. Do they speak just like you?
Yeah, but like one of them came back to Korea last August, so kind of a difference, I guess.
Oh, wow, interesting. Okay then. Well, I was thinking maybe we can learn a little bit of grammar.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not necessary, you can just speak as you wish, but the problem is in Korea, like, how can I say? I don't know how to put it, but it's just different. They have different language, and that's called grammar. And also, the grammar is not taught anywhere, but in Korea, I think. But maybe I
Actually,
could just show you a little, and then you can understand what's going on. So I'm not sure
yeah.
if you have ever heard of this 8 things and 5 things.
No.
No, right?
Oh, I've heard of this.
Well, which one?
No, I only know three. 주어, 동사,
Uh-huh.
목적어.
Yeah, right. Those are important. And so in Korea, like students, they learn English over 10 years, but then they don't really speak and they don't really understand. They learn as much they forget as much they learn. That's the problem. And one thing that they don't understand is that these are all the same things, but in just dividing in two different ways. All
Okay.
right, we'll just talk about it today. So I'll just draw a big picture here. as big as this. So what I'm saying is noun. You know noun, right?
Yeah.
And you know subject,
Yeah.
pronoun, and verb,
Yeah.
adjective, adverb, and those things, all those things. And you probably know,
No.
and those are, oh yeah, okay, you don't know? Then okay, which
don't
do you not know?
These. I've heard of it, but
No,
I
no,
don't
you just
really know.
oh, okay, I see. 전치사 is like to, at, on,
Oh
over,
yeah.
and
Okay.
those things. Yeah. So we use it somewhere, and 접속사 is like conjunction.
Oh yeah.
So,
Something that like connects two sentences.
interjection, yes, conjunction or interjection, anyways. Yeah. So those things like and but and however, those things in 감탄사 is like, oh wow, those are like 감탄사.
Okay.
That's it. So yeah, and we just put them the same words in different boxes in different ways. And maybe I can make a metaphor here,
Okay.
and that's gonna be two different franchise of hamburgers. Hamburger.
And I don't know those.
Well, which one? This.
Yeah,
보어.
that one.
Okay. How do I say it? 보어 is okay. You know what? I'm gonna rewrite it in your class here. Did you see some that participle clause?
What?
분사구문
Participle what?
clause.
Yeah. No. Close
Ha-
participle?
Having said that, something like that.
Oh yeah, I've seen it.
Okay, that one in your homework. Did you?
Yeah.
Not yet. Okay.
Anki?
Yeah, Anki is.
Yeah, I saw it.
I see. Okay. That we will talk about it a little later. But to
Like-
explain those, probably you need to learn this one first. What? Okay, anyways. Yeah, so what I'm saying is 보어, right? So I'll explain one by one. This is called complement.
Oh, compliment.
Do you know?
Yeah.
Okay, complement.
Like compliment is like cheering someone and like saying that you're good at something.
Oh,
Like-
that's actually compliment, and they sound the same exactly. Not exactly, but a little different. So compliment. This is compliment.
Okay.
So a little different, but it's okay. Don't worry. So now you need to know what is complement. This is just simple. We have noun
Yeah.
and we have adjective. Those could be complement. How does it actually work? To explain that, probably I need to tell you. Then do you know about anything like 5 types of sentences?
No.
Okay. So I'm not sure if this was from Western countries or Eastern countries. But anyways, in Korea currently, not currently, like for decades, teachers believe that there are like 5 ways to differentiate like each. There are 5 types. That's what they believe. And this is what I'm talking about. So first,
Mhm.
I'll talk about the first shape. First shape is subject. Oh, before that, I'll explain. So there are like 2 different franchises here. One is
Okay.
McDonald's, Burger King. Yeah. Do you know Burger King, right?
Yeah.
And McDonald's?
Uh-huh.
Okay, one is Burger King and the other is McDonald's. We talk about same words, but then Burger King says it's a noun, while McDonald's says it's a subject. But same thing,
Okay.
noun can be subject.
Yeah.
When you're not following, please stop me and ask me. And pronoun, not so different. And verb,
Yeah.
they it's good that they say verb is verb. And noun, this can be object.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
these
I
are
know
different
that.
and at the same time those are same. So it's
Oh.
how they what is it?
So, like you're saying like noun is equal to subject,
An object at the same time, yes.
object, and
Uh-huh.
complement.
Yes, complement too. But of
Okay.
course, English is important. I mean, English is different from Korean. Korean language, we say this way. 이래서 한국어가 정말 좋은 거다. Let's just make it 4. And when you see it, what if I change the sequence? 이래서 한국어가 정말 좋은 거다. Or I can say, or let's not do it. I think this might take a while, but it will help you surely. You need to understand two languages, the difference. When I say it, 한국어가 이래서 정말 좋은 거다. This is the same meaning, right?
Yeah.
And maybe I make another one and I'll just change one more time. What about it then?
이래서 정말 한국어.
Does it make any sense?
No.
Yes, it
I don't
makes
know.
sense. Yes, it does. So people say 한국어는 context 뭐가 좋다 그러지? context가 좋다나. I don't remember right now, but syntax. Yeah, they say syntax. 한국어는 syntax가 좋다라고 말을 합니다. But what does that mean? It means that you put any word anywhere that it makes sense.
Yeah.
So how many variables do you see? We have 4 words here, and then how many variables do you see here? How many can you make?
Like there's 3 already.
Yep.
I can change this with this.
No. Oh yeah. So actually, the formula is like 4 times 4 and 16. So we can see 16 cases, different cases, and those make sense.
Oh.
Whatever you do, it makes sense. That's Korean.
Okay.
Okay, but now I do the same. So can you make that sentence in English? Can you do that?
That's why.
Yeah, that's why. That's a good start. Maybe I can just why? What else?
Korean is good.
Good. Okay. I could have just make it 2, but anyways, that doesn't make any difference. Okay, E is good. But here's what I'm saying. You need to understand this first. If you change anything here, that's a wrong sentence.
Why that's Korean is good?
That's why. Oh yeah. I'm already wrong. Now you know. That's why Korean is good. But it's a correct sentence, isn't it?
Yeah.
But if you change anything here, then that's a wrong sentence. Do you agree?
Yes, it is.
So that's the difference between Korean sentences and English sentences. English sentences, it matters where you put the word, where you put subject or noun, or where you put adjective or adverb. Adverb actually doesn't really matter, but the others.
Yeah.
It does.
Okay.
It does matter. And do you agree now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Then maybe I can show you this toy here. Where did it go? Here.
That is so big.
I know.
It's like a chart full of
Could be.
things.
Do you know this toy?
Oh yeah, like you have to put it in the right place.
Right.
It just falls down.
But let me tell you what, Korean students, they can do it. What I'm saying is, let's just say this red block is verb, and blue block is noun, and green block is, what should that be? I don't know, maybe
Object.
Adjective. Okay, object. Yeah, let's go subject, verb, and object. So, which means you need to put the square to the square, circle to circle, and triangle to triangle, right? You know it. But Korean students don't. They don't understand it's important. Why? Because they have learned only one language and they think English is the same, like here. So they think they say something and other people might understand. That's not true. You know that, right? Good.
Yeah.
Okay, so you understand now. And then
Okay.
now we go all the way here. The next thing you want to understand is this. There are 5 different ways to make a sentence. And people, I mean, grammarians, should I call them?
Okay.
Okay, they care. And they have power. And they can analyze and they can evaluate you if you're a good student or bad. So that's why you need to behave and you need to understand what this is. I can make it easier.
Okay.
So, okay. First, we call it first shape, 일형식.
Yeah.
And how we make it is simple. Subject and verb. How simple?
I eat.
Yep,
That's
right.
right here.
I eat. That's right there. Okay. It's just like human, like, Homo sapiens.
Yeah, Homo sapiens.
When it all began, maybe they didn't need to speak like complex sentences.
Okay.
Yeah. It says like eat, then you work, we fight, something like that. Simple. Things were very simple because they didn't need to say a lot of things. That's first
You
shape.
Eat, I work.
You work. And then maybe he's stronger. That's how it works. And then second, so the time passed a little, and then we need to talk about something different. We need to give information to other people. And so second thing is subject, verb, and complement.
Okay.
Okay. Can you make some sentence like this, like second shape? Can you make any?
I ran to Korea.
Oh, no. It's not the second shape. Okay. Because, now then I'll teach you.
What does this mean?
What
does this mean? 주격보.
보, I think so. That's where you, that's something I need to teach you. So I'm going to teach you here. Maybe I'll just write it here. So what's the difference? I'll teach one by one here.
Okay.
And 일형식 is, I said, there are like 2 different ways to put it. And one is, okay, this might help you. You can see 2 different ways. I said, this is Burger King, right?
Yeah.
And this is McDonald's. And they care this way. This is how they see burger. That's their philosophy. And this is how they see burger. Different.
Okay.
And now, when we talk about this in Burger King's way, it will be... And what else?
Verb.
Yeah, right. And what else?
What's this? 동사.
Oh, there are like 8 things. And I showed you just now.
Oh, yeah. I? Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So you need to choose one of those 8.
Adjective. No.
Okay. Oh, no. Oh, no. What did I do? I'm sorry. This is first. Okay, then. There's nothing. It's already done here.
Yeah.
First shape
and
is
the other
just
one
simple.
is the same.
Okay. We'll see. We'll
subject.
see. Then what about this?
Subject
Okay.
and verb.
Right. It's clear because the one that from 8 out of 8, the one that can be subject is only noun, right? But
Yeah.
it's gonna be a little different now.
Okay.
Probably they didn't really think about it, but anyways. So okay, now we talk about second shape and how does it work. Burger King said, well, it should be this way. Plus what? Or this is how Burger King says.
Okay.
And when it goes to McDonald's, they say, no, that's not the way. And what else?
동사. for complement.
Yeah, complement. And subject complement.
Why is that there?
Okay, I'll tell you. Then you need to understand 보어 first. What is 보어?
You said it was complement.
Correct?
But what is complement?
That's what I'm talking about now. That's 보어.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
now I understand it. It's like, yeah.
That's 보어. And now you might understand that what is 주격 보어.
Yeah, what is it? Oh, it's adding something to the subject.
That's right. That's correct. So now you need to understand. Oh, okay. Now if we give the subject more information here, then that's probably a subject complement.
Wait,
Mm-hmm.
if you say verb, does
Mm-hmm.
it count be verbs too? 비동사?
Oh, yes. But not only be.
So I can say I am smart.
That's right. Yeah.
Then I just made the second shape sentence.
Oh, not difficult until you see the third. Because it's complicated here. Now we talk about the third one. And this one probably is the most common one. And as Burger King said,
Yeah.
okay, that's what they say. And now what about
food?
Oh yeah. Then what about McDonald's? What did they say?
명사?
No.
주어,
Uh-huh.
동사,
Uh-huh.
목적어.
Uh-huh, right. Look at that. This is the problem.
What is the problem? Oh, it's the same.
This is where Korean students give up understanding. What
is the
They're
difference?
the same. Yeah, what is the difference? That's the main idea, but nobody asks. And now I tell you. So, okay, the third shape, now I'll give you two different ways to explain. No, one way, but this is, okay, how do I do it? Should I copy it or just, okay, put it here, I think. I'll give you two. Both will have the same way, noun, verb, and noun, but then they are different. Let me tell you what this is. I can say I eat food. It shouldn't be this way. Okay, I eat food. And next is I am, what should I say? I don't know. Oh, I'm, I don't know, Kenny. Let's go with Kenny. There's no way Burger King can recognize or differentiate those two sentences, right? Because those are like same.
Yeah.
But,
yeah, they are the same.
Why is it different? It's because I is Kenny. But I am not food. So that's why this is and this is. Get it? So the difference between those two is second shape used this way and third shape used this way.
So if I use the third shape, like you can use it as like I am Leo.
Oh yeah?
But for like the second shape.
Is Leo your real name or did you just make it up?
It's my English name.
Oh, I see. Okay. I don't really call name, but okay, maybe I should use that one then. I eat food, yeah. So it should be I equal to the third noun, then that is 보어. That's how you recognize those two.
Oh, this is the last noun is supposed to be
Mhm.
for complement.
Right.
For this one, it has to be a
Mhm.
object. But
Yeah.
how do you know?
Because I'm not food.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that's how you recognize them, and then you will use the same way to the fifth shape. And then what did I say? McDonald's says one more thing here, and that is I am happy. Let's say, because it surely just said, oh no, but it's equal. I'll explain why.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it explains how the who the subject is, and also how the subject is too. And if that's the case, that is complement.
Okay.
So it works exactly the same here. Like this. Same thing happens here. Okay. So one is noun, the other is adjective, and they are actually the same. Okay. So that is the complement. Now, do you understand?
Yes.
Good. And now go to the fourth one. You probably already bumped into this question too. Make it to the 3형식 and 4형식. Or maybe you didn't. I don't know. And next is, so what I'm saying is here. Second shape, people should just say if this is dangerous, who you are, or if this is delicious or good, bad. Simple information, right?
Yeah.
Because
we're
that
going
time
more specific.
right. Because that time they might not be a lot, so they are like, I don't know, 2 people only, maybe. Simple. So they didn't need to really say which person I'm talking about now. They didn't need to. So they didn't need the third shape yet, but now the next thing is third shape. Now they need to give more information, and that's when we need object. And this is the most common one, by the way. And so, okay, that's the third shape. And then now go to the fourth. Fourth shape, what happens? Fourth shape, there are a lot of people and there's market now. They trade. They started trading things. Give and take.
What are 간접 목적어 and 직접 목적어?
Sure, I can explain. Okay, so here, of course, they have different ways to put it. Let's go. Burger King says, not clear. That's what they say. And now, McDonald's, they say, yeah, this is how they do. And now you don't understand 간접 목적어 and 직접 목적어. So I'll just make it just.
Burger King's better.
Maybe, yeah.
Easier.
This is simpler, but unclear.
Yeah.
And so I'll explain. You asked me 간접 목적어.
Yeah.
I don't know if you heard of it, but it's called indirect object. And next thing is direct object. Because when we talk about give and take, we must consider 2 things: what to give and who to give, right? In that case,
what to get and who to get.
I think so. In that case, we need 2 objects. And so we'll use it, and then I'll tell you how.
Sure.
And the most common one must be give, because it's all giving when it comes to the fourth shape. And so maybe I'll just make two different sentences here. I
Okay.
give.
Okay.
And now, can you give me any word here?
Any word?
Yeah.
Rice.
What do you give? Rice, okay? Yeah. That's done then. If you do so, that's the third shape.
Then why does this is the third shape?
The reason why we have more is because there are like two different ways to say it. And maybe I can just say, I give rice to. Who do you want to give it to?
Kenny, I guess.
Okay, thank you. And so I give rice to Kenny. Okay, that's third shape still. We don't care after preposition. After preposition, we don't care. And then
but there's two.
What?
Does two matter?
Doesn't matter.
Like what?
Doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. Preposition doesn't matter.
Okay.
And then now, okay, I'll explain all of them. So now we have different way to say it. How? It is this. I give
Kenny rice.
Kenny rice. Oh, maybe I was wrong, but I'll change rice. Okay, this is the fourth shape, how you say it. Because, you know, like you don't want to do it like you say once, then it's just a one time, but in your entire life, you probably will say like million times and you don't want it.
Oh, I saw this in Anki.
Oh yeah, I made it.
Yeah, it says like, I gave the money to him. And it says to change it to, I gave Kenny the money.
Right.
No, I gave money to him. Gave the money to him.
Okay, wait a second. Let me just IODO, indirect object. Yes, this is right. And this should be, it should not be here, but it should be there. So 직접 목적어, let me explain what this is. And 간접 목적어 is. Okay?
Oh, okay.
And two, maybe I need to explain this too. And that is, that's why even if you have one big book and that has full of praises, not praises, but yeah, praises, not praises, close, then it should be just only one sentence. Like I can make a sentence really, really long. I can make a book about it, but that still is one sentence and one shape, like third or fourth. I can show you later. So, all right, what I'm asking you now is, do you understand until here?
Yes.
Very good.
Now we have to talk about the fifth shape.
That's right. And fifth shape is more interesting, I think. I like it. Okay, so fourth shape is here. Third and fourth, they are quite similar, but slightly different. That's it.
Yeah.
Where should this
Just
be?
like one difference. This. 간접 목적어.
Right.
That's like literal. That's like the only difference.
That's correct. And now we talk about the fifth one.
Fifth one.
Fifth one, actually, things are different now. What's different? At the fourth, the time passed, and he looks like Jackie Chan though. Okay. Time passed, and then they have power. What kind of power? Power to be a king and power to make a king. So it's all about like political power. And when it comes to political power, what matters is I can make you a kind of person, like give you a job.
Okay.
Okay. And if that's the case, In Burger King, they say it this way.
명사 플러스 동사 명사.
What else? How is that possible? Well, what about then McDonald's?
주어
Mm-hmm.
더하기 동사 간접 목적어?
No.
No. It's the other one. 목적어. And I don't know.
Now we have 목적격보, but you might understand what it is now, right?
No.
The same as 주격보, but it explains here.
Oh, it explains it. It's like adding more to the object.
Right. Okay, so they actually are similar. Like second thing and fifth thing, they are similar. And third thing and fourth thing, they are similar.
Okay.
First thing is the on its own. Okay. So what kind of sentence can I make? Maybe I can well, maybe we can start with I'm happy here. It was I am happy, right? It's all by myself.
Yeah.
But next thing is, what about it? I make you happy.
I make you happy.
Or
Okay.
sad.
Thank you.
Sad, maybe, if that's the case. Then yes, a person makes the other person how. So it's about power. That's how I see it. So that's about the fifth shape. Or I told you so. There's another one too. I make you what? Maybe I can say a king. And that's fifth shape too.
Yeah, it's king.
Yeah.
So
all right, that's all about first to fifth shape. And now we have less than a minute. I'm gonna re-invite you. I'll see you in a bit. All right.
Hello.
That's the fifth shape. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
And so as always, complement can be two things: adjective or noun.
Yeah, okay. I understand that.
That's something that Korean students, most of them, don't understand. They learn, but they don't understand. I don't know.
I
What
think
about
I will
you?
understand.
That's good. So terms are important. It's because if you know terms and you don't have to say a lot of things.
Okay.
So this is the fifth shape. I'm gonna make it first, and then I guess after the class I'll send it to you.
Okay. Can you send me all the shapes?
Sure.
Like the chart that you made?
Which one? This or that?
The whole
Burger
thing.
King? The Burger King?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Do you need
The
it?
Burger King. I think I would just like review it, I guess.
Yeah, you can do that, but let me check that one. I think this is kind of vector, which means even if I just send the whole thing, maybe this will just work
No, I'm talking
fine.
about like, oh yeah, I want this one.
Wait.
This whole thing. You didn't talk about this.
I know, but I'm just reviewing now. Should we or should we not? I don't know. Anyways, one of me made it. It might not be harmful. Yeah, let's believe myself. Let's go. Oh, wait. It's just really big. Wow, that's blinking there, and It's huge. Okay, let's go. And I want to see if this works fine. Oh, can I even? Oh yeah, I can. So okay, I just did it. And let me just check that one. Whoa.
That's
It's
cool.
huge. It's huge. And what we need to see is what if we just magnify it and does it work? Yeah, it does. Oh my god. Who made this program? It's amazing. Wow. It's not breaking at all. Okay. And this too. I don't know. You might not need it. And you might need this much.
I was talking about this one.
Which one?
This one. This one. I was talking about this one.
3 and 4?
No, like I was talking about this chart, not the other one
Oh, I see.
that I wanted to get.
Sure. You got it.
Wait, what?
I can't really copy and paste. Maybe I need to take a screenshot here. That way it's not better than the program that I used just now. But I guess you can magnify it later and yeah, I think it's okay.
It's alarming on my phone because I have talk on my phone, but I usually see it on my computer.
Uh-huh. Okay. So that's something that you need to know when you dive into the world of grammarians.
Grammarians.
Mm-hmm.
Grammarians. A new made up word.
Which one? Oh
Grammarian.
yeah, I think I did. I don't know. I think that suits them.
I think we should call them grammarian.
Maybe. We can't call them muggles. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is it. And I don't know if there's anything you are not sure. Is there anything? Oh, one thing more, but please, you answered first.
The participle.
Oh yeah, participle. What about it?
Like, you know, like, the sentences that you gave me on Anki.
Uh-huh.
Some of them didn't really make sense. I mean, it does make sense, but I don't understand it.
Which exactly?
Like, you know, like the one that's having said, you have
Right.
to acknowledge something,
Uh-huh.
something. Yeah, I don't understand that one.
Having said that, right?
Yeah.
You heard it many times, didn't you?
Yeah. No, I don't. I understand that part, but I don't understand the part right after it.
What do you mean after it? I don't understand what
Like
you're
you
talking
said-
about now.
Like there's having said that, and
Uh-huh.
the Anki said, you still have to acknowledge something.
Well,
I don't understand.
I didn't really
acknowledge.
review the sentence, so I don't know the exact sentence right now, but we can see it. Okay, let's go. Okay.
Wait, are there no feedback on? It's just a question about Anki. Is there no homework on Saturdays? I mean Sundays?
No, we just do it all the time. I mean, every day. Why?
Oh.
Would you want to take a
No.
rest on Sundays and Saturdays?
No, I just thought because you gave the answer like really late
When?
on Sunday.
Oh,
I
I
sent
see.
you like at like 9, and that's why I was like a little confused.
It's not always on time. It's because let's think about it. Like you do your homework always at 8 o'clock, and then some other students, they sometimes do it at 11, 12. And if that's the case, maybe I need to do homework correction for like forever every day. And so I don't really do it. And sometimes I do it like once every 2 days. And then sometimes I do it every day. And so it's not always, I'm not always doing it. but I try to do it every day.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's like a little confusing for you.
No, it's not confusing for me, but it was maybe to you.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, past participle clause here. I just made one more here, and you're talking about having said that. Having said that is really common.
Yeah, that one.
And Korea people, is it this one? Yeah, I
That one.
added one more at the end. Yes, right. Because I thought you might need it.
I understand like until here.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm just changing all the time.
Like this part. I understand this part.
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand this part. We still acknowledge the challenge ahead. Like 우리 앞에 있는 도전.
인정.
This,
No, this is not the word I want.
I don't understand that part.
Okay.
Acknowledge.
Acknowledge is like cognate. How can I call it in English? How should I say? Acknowledge is like no.
Oh, like the
We
thing
must
that
still know the challenges ahead. Yeah, no. Or acknowledge is like and it's not get to know, but realize.
I was like a little
인지하다.
confused with that.
I see.
인정하다.
That's recognize. So this is recognize. We must still recognize the challenges ahead. Also, you're actually asking me the like Korean words. Question is about Korean words, isn't it?
No, I know the word acknowledge, but
Yeah.
I don't understand why it's 인정하다.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's not perfect. And that's why I see your homework, and sometimes if this is a mistake, then I change it. And it still takes some time. Thank you. You should tell me too. Okay, it's not. I would say.
Yeah.
I would say this way. So yeah,
better.
it's not perfect. It can't be. But I'm saying probably 95% is okay. So what I'm saying is, having said that is important. And did I tell you first, or did you ask me of this participle clause?
Well, you tell me at first, and I asked you later.
I see. Okay.
After we did the.
So now you have this, and you understand the like 8 parts of speech, and then shapes as well. And also, this is what I don't know. There's no word for it, like how to call it. That doesn't exist because Western people don't really talk about it. Like it's only Korea or Japan, maybe. Anyways, and the reason why you need to know this one is because they use terms. I mean, like teachers. So that's why. Let's say. Well, wait. Maybe I can bring one book here. That might be easier for you. This is a Korean grammar book. And have you ever opened one of them?
No.
Not exactly this, but Korean grammar book.
No.
Okay, so then maybe I can take a picture or something. And the first thing, okay, it's something you already know, but then they use terms so that you don't understand.
Terms?
Yeah, like 부사, 감탄사, 간접 목적어. That's what makes you give up. So that's why I needed to teach you this first. Wherever you go, you need to understand this, and then it will make it so much easier. Okay. So let's see what we talk about here. 분사의 의미와 용법. They teach this in Unit 52. Let's go. What does that really mean?
What's 분사? It doesn't say here.
Participle.
Oh, 분사. Oh.
Yeah, here. So this is what I'm talking about. 분사 구문의 시제. And I can. Do you want to see the picture? Maybe you should. Because you go to middle school second year and first year, and they will start talking about this, and you'll just.
But you're gonna send me?
No. I'll just share the screen.
Oh,
Okay, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
okay.
It's all about terms.
Okay.
So this is what you just learned. Not learned, but I made homework and then I sent it to you and you saw some of them first. But then you don't really know how to make it. And can you read a little here? And then can you tell me which part you understand and which part you don't? I'm sorry. Let me just
I think I understand. I think I understand the first one. Wait,
Here,
do you mind like?
Yeah, I'll
like
show you, but
no,
just
like
give me more time.
You made some Anki things, and do you mind like doing it together and like see what I don't know?
Then to do so, maybe I need to see what you don't know first, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you
I
not
don't
know?
really get
I'm sorry, I'll make it bigger.
having PP.
PP is for past participle. So if that's what you need, then I'll give you past participle. So is that not something you don't know now?
I already knew PP stands for participle. Having plus participle. I don't understand that one. Past participle.
It's just having. I mean, you need to put having. That's it.
Put
that
having
doesn't
in
mean
front
anything,
of.
but yeah, having, yes.
Okay.
That's why this is having said that.
Okay.
Because having said that is like we are talking about what happened before, right before.
Yeah.
We are talking about this moment. Yes.
Oh yeah, and I want like how about 동사원형 plus ing?
동사원형 plus ing. So you don't know 동사원형, do you?
I do.
Then what are you not sure about here?
Oh, you just put
ing
like a normal
after
form.
Yeah, right. That's it.
Okay. So like 동사원형 is like walk.
All right.
Like, it's just over there, and you put
not
ing
walking,
after it.
not walks, or not walked, but just walk. Yes.
And you put ing after it, then it would be walking.
Yeah,
and that's
right.
동사원형 plus ing. Okay, then I think I understand. Okay,
let's go all the way down here, because maybe I can put it this way. See, this, do you know this model like Gundam? This is something I liked when I was young, making robots like this.
Oh, I know those.
So now I can tell you this grammar book. You learn this grammar book and then you can make any Gundam you want.
Okay.
But it takes time. And you don't need to spend that time because you already know how.
Like the robot pieces are like words, and you put them together and you form a sentence.
Right. But then to do so, people might need to use the terms. We call this one. What did you call it? What did you call it? Something on the robot's right arm.
Shield.
Yeah, shield. But then let's say if you don't know how can I say 간접 목적어, then your teacher will say, oh, you need to put the 간접 목적어 on the right arm of Gundam. Then you don't understand what 간접 목적어 is. That's why terms are important.
Wait, I'm confused.
Sure.
Is 간접 목적어 the direct or
I'm
the
just
other
using
one?
metaphor. 간접 목적어 is okay. 간접 목적어 is 사람.
Oh, okay.
직접
Direct.
목적어 is 물건. Yes. No,
Okay.
간접 목적어 is indirect. Oh my god, you need this too. Okay. Oh, you don't know 간접 and 직접, do you?
Yeah.
Don't worry. 간접 목적어 is indirect. You know what? I'll give you 간접 first. They'll help you.
Indirect.
Yep.
Indirect.
Uh-huh.
Indirect.
Direct.
Direct.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And maybe I make these questions too. You need to understand. Now, you need to, it's better to remember. That's how I say. Maybe this way.
So 주어 플러스 동사.
Let's go with part of speech first. 명사.
명사 플러스 동사.
You know what? I shouldn't waste time. Maybe I should just do it here. I'm pretty sure I already made it. So why don't I use it? Have you ever made your Anki set for other things you study?
No,
Mhm.
I'm not really good at these kind of stuff. I mean,
No
I
one's
will
motivated.
be good at it if I learn it.
Mhm. Don't wait. Start with something you like first. What do you like?
That's a lot of stuff.
I know. Are you always busy?
Me?
Uh-huh.
Am I always busy?
Yep.
Not always, I guess. Same old same every day.
But I don't know what's same. what you do? I don't know. I'm not sure.
So like, I just wake up. I do your homework. No, actually, I wake up. I take off
Mhm.
my lens. I do your homework,
Oh.
and I.
Oh,
What do
you
you
wear a
mean?
lens when you sleep.
Yeah, dream lens.
Yeah, I heard of it.
And it actually helps.
It does?
So bad. Yeah, it does.
Well, last time I was teaching this kid Jack, and he tried it, and he said he actually could see it next day, and yeah, maybe it works.
So my right eye
Uh-huh.
was 0.2,
Okay.
and now it's 0.6.
Well, I don't know what happened to me. I was at your age, and I was like 1.0, and the other one was 1.02. Like 2 years ago or I think 1 year ago, I went to check again, and it became 2.0 and 2.0.
2.0?
Yeah, by my age, 50, I probably will be Mongolian.
Wait, 2.0. That's really good.
I think so, maybe.
2 point.
Uh-huh. But you know,
Your
you're
eyes are
actually
like your eyes are triple times better than me. 3 times better than me.
Is it
Better than
though? But
mine.
then you need to check your eyes again because you're using the lens, right? And then you will correct
Yeah,
your
every
eye. I mean,
month.
recalibrate your eyes, right?
Yeah, every month.
Every month, which means if you stop it, then your eyes will be 0.2 again. Does that mean that?
No, like so every time I put my lens on, it's like a normal lens. I can see better.
Uh-huh.
But after I take them off, I'm
Uh-huh.
better. But you
Wow.
have to put them on at least for like 8 hours a day.
8 hours. First time, how did it feel? How did it feel? Awful?
Yeah, it just like the time you put that on, it's so scared because you're like,
I
it
think
feels like
so.
you're just putting your finger into your eyes.
I don't want to think about it. Oh my God.
But now it's good. It just takes me like 2 seconds to put it on.
Wow. And then like you wear it for 8 hours and next day you wake up and the next day you don't need any glasses or lens, is that
No.
right?
No,
Then
I'm just good.
whoa, woohoo. Really? Oh my god. That's interesting. But then
So,
you know,
like-
uh-huh.
So I'm here,
Uh,
and the clock is like it's like a normal clock, like a LED one.
yeah.
You know, it's like the screen of my computer.
I see, like something like this.
No, like
Smaller,
a lot
bigger?
bigger, a lot
Uh-huh.
bigger,
Okay.
and it's on the wall, and it's
Uh.
like 2 meters up and
Uh-huh.
like 5 meters. No, like 3 meters away.
Uh.
I couldn't see that if I did this.
Oh,
Now I can.
wow, serious? Oh my god. Why? I thought Canada is like Mongolia, like everything is so. In Korea, you come and you see like buildings. It's the
Yeah.
forest of buildings, right? But Canada
That's
must
why
be
I-
different.
Yeah, that's my eyes were really bad when I was
Oh.
like 9 before I went to Canada. It
Oh.
was like 0.1 or 2.
Oh, I see.
When I went to Canada, it became better. It was like 0.4.
Okay. I'm glad you got better.
Then
And,
it came back, and my
Uh-huh.
eyes get worse. Now I have to put green lens on. I mean, my mom wanted to make
uh-huh.
me do it, but I wanted to do it too.
You just said fifth shape. Make me do it.
Yeah,
Oh, that's fifth shape. Anyways, okay. So how long totally were you in Canada? Or how many years actually?
2 years
2 years.
and 6 months.
Okay. Let's see.
Came on August,
Uh-huh.
September, October. November, December, January. So 6 months. Yeah,
Wow.
exactly 2 years and a half. 2.5 years.
Okay. Whoever asked me about the international school, that I should just recommend that place. I think it's really good result that you have your English there like that. All right, I just made a lot of cards, and you'll see them in your homework. And once you get used to, nail it like each blank here, and then
Okay.
it'll be all easier for you to understand those in grammar classes.
Okay.
Maybe like a few days later, I'll just give you some kind of YouTube clips, the grammar explanation, and you'll see it, and you can probably pick up some words like terms.
Okay.
Because they use a lot of terms, and then if you don't know terms, then you can't even communicate with them. It's like there's another language. I mean, there's one more language in English. I don't know, so inefficient, but they still do it. Like that's the only way. All right. And any question?
No questions.
Mhm. And don't you think your homework is a little too much now? Because you increased to 25, right? And then you felt it's how can I say? It increased more than you expected, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
I think so. Make it
Only
15. Make it 15.
15. It was 20.
20. It was 20. Okay, then maybe you just make it 10. Make it 10 then. I don't know. It's actually up to you, but if
10?
I were you, I would go back to 10 to 15 maybe.
If you were me.
Yeah.
But I think that would be way too less.
Okay then. Yeah, maybe you just
I'll
make it
keep it
15
20.
first. 20? Maybe you try it. Yeah, I'm still
Maybe
like keep
maybe
an eye on
15.
it. Okay? But
Then
just
the
try it, and if you can't deal with it, then maybe you can just ask me again.
Yeah.
Then
I'm
we'll
probably
think
gonna
about
do it with 15. And like
Mhm.
after I get used to that, I'm gonna like
Mhm.
go up by 2s or
Yeah.
3s.
But try it, and then one thing I would do it if I were you. Is I would just make my own deck, and I just make cards that I want to, something that I want to remember, but I just can't or couldn't. Then just see if it
Okay.
works. Okay, just 1 or 2 cards. All right, then that's it for today, and I'll see you next time then.
Okay, bye.
All right, bye.